Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to import a tab delimited file into Excel. Okay, how to open up a tab delimited file into Excel sheet. Okay, I'll show you first what is there in my tab delimited file. Month, first line is the header, month, tab separation, then the next column. Okay, months, sales and expenses. Okay, I'm going to bring this file into Excel. How to do that? File, open, then browse, go to the browse, tab delimited, open. You cannot find the file here. You must, sometimes it is only show the Excel files. You must go and show all files, tab delimited, open. Okay, now it brings all the data. You can preview the data here. It has two types. One is delimited text file or fixed width. Ours is a delimited. I'll show you another example for fixed width later. Okay, delimited file such as comma, delimited by commas, tabs and any character. Your file has the header. Yes, my data has headers. You want to import from the row 1 or from any in the middle of the file? No, from the starting from the row 1. Next, what is your delimiter? My delimiter here is a tab. You can also have semicolon, comma, space, anything, basically any character, other characters. Treat consecutive delimiters as one. Some cases the delimiters may come successively. Those cases you want to keep it as one or you keep it as a different field. Okay, in our case it is only one tab. Okay, it automatically separated the columns here. Next, my first column is a text, so I select text. The other columns are numbers, so I keep it general. It is already there. And finish. Okay, you can see here it's already separated into different columns. Now you can just straight away save this file as Excel file. Okay, this is the way you can bring or open any tab delimited files into Excel sheet. Hope this video is helpful to you. See you on the next video.